Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwako Ata. In fact, I give you a very warm welcome if this is the first time of you joining my class. And for those who have been joining, I believe you've been enjoying the class. Great. Okay, so for today, I'm going to take you through my class and some of the things that I have in my class. Good, so come along with me as we walk through the class. Okay, so this is grade 6 classroom, grade 6 mathematics classroom. Okay, so this is the entrance of the class. And when you enter the class, I have so many posters, okay, in the classroom. And I have grouped my students, okay. All right, so you can see the tables and the chairs neatly arranged. Of course, someone can decide to arrange them in a different manner depending on your targets, okay. All right, so I have posters here. This is my timetable, that is my daily schedule, and I have some posters. Okay, then I also got students of the month, class mailbox, class news, and other things. All right, so these are some of the nice posters here. And I have created a peace corner for my students. So if someone is, disturbed and worried, you just give that person the peace or the space to come and relax the brain a little before you ask of whatever is bothering him or her, and you try to help that child out. I have the vision and mission of the school posted for the students to constantly remind them of their aim in the school. Okay, so in the peace room, I have so many posters for them. Great. Then this is my screen board. All right, my telephone. This is my board. And on the board, I have my dates. I have my statements. I can statements, some essential questions for the students, some key ideas, advanced. So I take both general class and advanced class, advanced students. All right, so and I have the agenda for them too. Okay, so we have all these things for the students. Okay, what else? Great. This is also my space. So this is my space, and you're not supposed to come there unless I ask you to do so. Okay, so that is my space. Now some things down there. Okay, and so I have also where I keep my pencils, erasers, sharpeners, and other stationery tools over here. So I have the class rules, monitors, job and helpers, reminders, weekly schedule, class assignments, and so many things for my students. And some, math posters. Good. Then I also have what is called the 7 habits. Okay. So I have the 7 habits posters. This is habits 1, habits 2. So habits 1 is what? Be proactive, you are in charge. Habits 2, begin with the end in mind. Have a plan. That is what it means. Habit 3, put first things first. Okay, so work first, then you play. Habit 4, think win-win. Okay, so everyone can win. In planning your lesson, you have to think win-win. All right, you shouldn't be a selfish teacher. No, think win-win for your class. Then habits 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. So this means you listen before you talk. Habit 6, that is a synergy, that is together is better. And I'll take you through this some at a time. Then habit 7, sharpen the saw. All right, so balance feels best. You have to live a balanced life. Okay, then I have my sharpener machine. I have so many things for this is my class, and so I have to figure out how to design and arrange my class to suit my students. Always put the students in mind. What can you do to improve them? What can you do to develop all their senses of learning? Okay, so you have to put all these things in place before the students come. Okay, before your students come to class. Okay, then I have my library, and I have so many things down there for my students. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I'll meet you again and explain the synergy for you. So we meet again. Please stay safe and learn hard. Bye. Great.